Authorities in Russia say they have dismantled the notorious ransomware group REvil and charged several of its members. This is not the first time I speak about REvil, and actually it's my third video about them, so definitely a continuing story in the channel. If you are not familiar with REvil, please check my previous videos about it. But in a nutshell, REvil is alleged to be a Russia-based or Russian-speaking private ransomware as a service operation. It related to major notorious ransomware attacks in the 2020 to 2021 on Kaseya, on JBS, Meatpacker, Colonial Pipeline, and many others. A February 2021 analysis from researchers at IBM found that REvil gang earned more than $120 million in 2020 alone. In November 2021, the Europol announced it has arrested 7 REvil affiliates who collectively made more than $230 million worth of ransom demands since 2019. At the same time, the US authorities unsealed 2 indictments against a pair of accused REvil criminals, which refer to be a man as a REvil affiliate 22 and REvil affiliates 23. It is clear that US authorities have known for some time the real names of REvil top capitans and moneymaker. Last fall, President Biden told Putin that he expects Russia to act when the United States shares information on specific Russians involved in ransomware activity. The Russian government said on January 13 that they arrested 14 people accused of working for REvil. The Russian Federal Security Service, the FSB, said the actions were taken in response to a request from US officials. The FSB said it arrested 14 members and searched more than 2,000 addresses in Moscow, St. Petersburg, Leningrad, and Leipzig. As part of these raids, the FSB seized more than $600,000, 426 million rubles worth $5.5 million, and €500,000 plus 20 premium cars. The FSB didn't release the names of any of the individuals arrested, although a report from the Russian news agency TASS mentioned 2 defenders, Roman Muromsky and Andrei Besenov. So, is it indeed the end of REvil? I believe that time will tell us. Will we see a decline or halt in ransomware attack? I find it hard to believe due to the attractiveness and number of affiliates related to such types of attacks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.